Lean your shoulder into a heavy box on the floor. For a moment, nothing happens, then it gives and slides. Or picture a car stopping hard and the seatbelt catching you as your body keeps going. Both are the same story, a force at work, and it goes further than you'd think. Start with the simplest picture. A force is just a push or a pull. Every push and pull has a size and a direction, so we draw it as an arrow. A longer arrow is a stronger force, pointing the way it shoves. Push the box, and it moves. Stop pushing, and it settles. It feels like things only move while you keep forcing them. But that catching seatbelt says otherwise. Left alone, a moving thing wants to keep moving, and a still thing wants to stay still. That stubbornness is called inertia. A force is what changes it. So what decides how much a force changes things? Watch the box a little more closely. The harder you push, the faster it speeds up. And a lighter box leaps ahead while a heavy one barely stirs. Those two observations fold into one tidy rule. F equals ma. The force equals the mass times the acceleration, how quickly the speed is changing. More force, more acceleration, more mass, less. That's the whole engine of motion in 3 letters. It also untangles an everyday mix-up. Mass is how much stuff you're made of, and it never changes. Weight is the force of gravity pulling on that mass, which is why you'd weigh almost nothing in deep space, while your mass stays exactly the same. Push a little further though, and one last piece falls into place. When you push the box pushes back on you, just as hard, the other way. Every force comes in a pair, equal and opposite, and, crucially, the two act on different objects. That backward shove on the gas is exactly what lifts a rocket. Real objects feel several forces at once: gravity down, the floor up, your push forward, friction back. Draw them all on one object, a free body diagram, and add the arrows together. Whatever's left over, the net force, is what actually decides how the object moves. So from a box, you can barely shift to a rocket climbing into orbit. It's all arrows adding up. A force is a push with a direction, and the sum of those pushes is the story of everything that moves.